This is what a rainy, around noontime day looks like here in Guarne, Antioquia. And it's raining a lot. And today it has been on and off. I was planning to go and make some travel vlogs of some very different towns here in Antioquia on the motorbike, but this has changed the whole game plan. So I'm just staying here at the country house and riding it out and relaxing today. There's no way I'm going out on a motorbike, but look how beautiful it is. Look how beautiful it is, and the mountain ridge over there. We're in the mountains here. So the mountain ridge right there, raindrops falling on my head. Anyway, so yeah, and there go the pups in the other house. They got their shelter there, and it's all good. A rainy day. I would sit in the porch, but I just prefer it when it's warm and raining, not cold and raining. And the temperature here, high in the mountains of Guarne, is not like in the town square of Guarne or down there. We are at about 2,600 meters, maybe 2,500 meters above sea level. Whereas the town of Guarne is about 2,150 or 2,200 meters above sea level. So it does get colder up here. Temperature right now could be around, I don't know, at this moment I would say mid-60s. 60, 65 degrees Fahrenheit.